Annabelle, happy birthday. Yun lang, more blessings. Love you.
Hi, Tita Annabelle. Happy birthday. God bless you always. And more power.
Happy birthday. I wish you a wonderful birthday to come. Stay the same, stay as humble and happy as what you are. Always smile and don't be sad. We love you.
Annabelle, happy birthday! Wishing you all the happiness in life and stay cool.
Tita A, happy birthday! Jollibee naman dyan!
Birthday, Annabelle. May God bless you and see many more. Thank you.
Bel, happy birthday. Siyempre, ang wish ko yung lahat ng best, siyempre. Tapos, yung nag-iisang kulang na lang sa'yo. Sana, di ba, darating ba o hahanapin? Sana ipagkaloob na ng Panginoon para makompleto na yung, di ba? Yan, yung magiging katuwang mo sa buhay kasi medyo nagkakaedad na kaya dapat go na. Ayun lang, happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Birthday, Mama Bear. We love you.
Happy birthday, Annabelle! Wishing you good health, more wealth, and may all your dreams come true. Enjoy this day because it is your birthday. Happy birthday again. And I hope to see you soon. I love you.